Hello, Billie the Artist here, back with a little update about the general state of things and why I've not been on social media for a few weeks and not done any YouTube videos. Basically, so many areas of life have been massively disrupted, as it has done for many millions of people. Now, while this has gone on, it's affected not only my work but also family life, but also even things like DIY. It's all been completely bonkers. But I have been doing a number of things behind the scenes. For any of you who are waiting for how to draw lessons, thank you for your patience. I do them for fun. They don't pay the bills. This pays the bills. But even work has been struggling. So as much as I like doing them, they take a long time to produce. So the big 4-hour lessons that I've done and you all have enjoyed, I don't know when I can do them again. I'm hopefully going to try to do some shorter ones, maybe half an hour, something like that. Again, I would like to. I do enjoy encouraging you with your drawing. That is an absolute joy and a privilege. But there's loads of lessons. Go check them out. If you've done one before, do it again. That's how I improved. You draw things over and over and over. So go and check them out and enjoy them. Thank you again for your support. Really appreciate it. I'm hoping to do more, but it's not my job. This is. I have been working while not been able to do this kind of work, and this is still interesting. There's lots of things behind the scenes that are going on, but it's all outside of my control. There's nothing I can do, like so many other people. It's well, thorns and thistles of daily life. But I've been working on a couple of projects that I couldn't share for a number of reasons. Now again, they will be shared over the next few weeks, hopefully, as things kind of open up and things develop a little bit more through the situations that we're involved in. Anyway, that's all fine. I will be cracking on with Jonathan, so that's kind of where we're at. But thank you again for liking my art, my work, my how to draw lessons. Really appreciate it. This is strange times for everybody, but all we can do is just plod on through the thorns and thistles and enjoy what we have, what we can do. Do check out all the drawing lessons and enjoy them and learn and grow and develop. I will try and do some more. Thank you for everyone who likes my art. In the main art, I've got lots planned. There's like I say, Jonathan Rea. Then I've got a little diversion for the next oil painting canvas. Then after that, hopefully I will be doing another one of Joey Dunlop, and then the list is enormous of things that I can do and want to do. But I am looking forwards to hopefully really cracking on with work. And again, I'll try and keep you updated. There will be more posts coming soon, but I have got to crack on with the work. And thank you again for just liking it all. Anyway, take care. See you in the next video. Ta-da.